Today I made an upsell on something I never did in my entire life. I know there's people in the trade that actually do this quite often. But as you can see, it's quite nasty. It's quite nasty. You see what I'm working with. Now, I've seen people use their brush, their water-fed pole to scrub these on it. But see, taking a power wash to it, you could potentially rip the material. It's so old and frail, I really don't want to take nothing high pressure to it. So I'm going to lightly scrub it and hope that it doesn't fall apart on me like confetti. Now, I know there's various methods to getting it done, and sometimes using just plain reverse osmosis water is enough to get it clean. But my worker, he seems to know what he's talking about, and that he's going to get some ammonia and some awesome. It's like a degreaser type stuff. But I really wouldn't think I need all that, to tell you the truth. But I sent him to the store nonetheless. But I have two types of brushes. Now, one is more harder than the other. Now, I don't want to put nothing too hard on there if it's that bad a shape. I might want to use a softer brush. So I'm going to try the harder one first and see, because I really don't want to contaminate my constructor brush, which has softer brushes, and get that all funky and looking kind of raggedy and nasty. I don't want to nasty it up. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. The price tag on this job for the awning is $75. Let me know what y'all would charge to do that awning. Now, obviously, you don't do the undercarriage. It's just the outside part of it. Let me know what y'all would charge, and let me know what method y'all would use. The reason why I'm posting this video is not because I'm showing y'all I know what I'm doing, because I already just told y'all. This is my first ever. I've never done anything like this. So I'm doing this video in order to get some tips from some of you who's been down this road 1,000 times, you know. And maybe for those who just may come across my video first and maybe want to get some ideas for themselves. You know, I'm not saying I have all the answers. It's not what this video is about. This video is about awareness for myself and others, because I want to be aware of what's the best method to get that done, because maybe I'll start upselling on those, because I see a lot of dirty awnings in my travel days, but I don't never be concerned with it because I don't approach it that way. You know, I just keep it simple. Just keeping windows and keeping it simple, it's in my comfort zone. When I start venturing to other services, I start usually biting off more than I can chew. You know, it's that first bite that gets you. You know, once you get that first bite, now you want to do it all the time. But all right, as Uncle Sam say, I want you to eat grilled cheese. All right, which they have some of the best grilled cheese and tomato soups around. But all right, let's get to work. All right, let me show y'all what I've done here. I added a soap line to here, separate to yeah, this is kind of funky. Yeah, I added a soap line. This is going to go to my portable sprayer, so I don't have to you know, do it by any other means. I can just scrub it, turn the soap on, turn the soap off as I need it. Now, you can get some ideas and do something similar to this. You don't have to use a homemade spray nozzle like this little loop here, you can actually get one of those spray nozzles that has adjustable patterns, like I do for my Wagtail. Now, I know there's a lot of poles that don't have a shutoff valve on the pole itself because they don't make it that way. They should, but they don't. Now, you can get an idea like something like I did. This allows you to shut it on and off without going anywhere. I have a little irrigation shutoff valve, and this is a godsend. This has been so convenient hundreds of times over. I can't begin to tell you. So that's tip number one, and that's tip number two with the soap line. Y'all can get the ideas and use it. I give you permission. After all, what I show y'all is free for public use, because if it wasn't, the videos would be private. But you know, I'm there to share knowledge like everyone else. You know, it's no secret, so it ain't like I'm keeping anything to myself that people don't know already. It's just that some people find out things quicker than others from the videos that they see. They may get different ideas. Okay, well, I like doing it this way better. You know, everyone has their own little unique touch to it. You'll find that out. But, all right, let's get to work.
Take me deeper. Be my inspiration, my total dedication. Be my ether. Got this feeling all through my body. Ooh, I like it. Can you feel it? Got this feeling all through my body. Ooh, I like it. Can you feel it? I just can't stop this feeling. I just can't stop this feeling.
It's a spot where I wanna be. Wanna spend in the bench, it's in front of me. Just the way I like it. Really motivation. I gotta see them in the blood, then I'm running something. Movies dance around and do it, then I'm feeling one. Top understands and I'm feeling one. Also, I'm the one with the chick with the left. Instagram, she so she can make a butt talk, do what you gotta do. I ain't attitude, know a lot of famous women seen that as bad as you. You still bad, but leave that. Sipping on your head, that's where we at. Let me get you on the circle with the big I'm talking like it's Kevin Anderson. Happy singing on the side, I get steps out. So never fail, let me see something. It's gonna be something. I'm talking like it's Kevin Anderson. Happy singing on the side, I get steps out.
Got this feeling all through my body. Ooh, I like it. Can you feel it? Got this feeling all through my body. Ooh, I like it. Can you feel it? Got this feeling all through my body. Ooh, I like it. Can you feel it? Ooh, la, 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 la. Ooh, la, 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 I just can't stop this feeling. 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 Down, 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 down. Ooh, I like it. Down, 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 down. Ooh, I like it.
Oh woman, my woman, I need to talk with